All right, we start this broadcast with some breaking inputs coming in from the top court. The Supreme Court has deferred the hearing on anti-CAA petitions. Now, next hearing will take place on October 31st. Centre will have to file a response on all pleas. For more on this, I'm joined by Harish on the broadcast. Harish, what details can you share with us? The matter has been deferred now.
Yes, the matter has been deferred for October 31st, but there was some important developments like the Supreme Court has in fact sought response from the government, from the centre on all these fresh petitions which have been filed challenging the constitutional validity of the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act. So remember, the importance is that in fact the hearing is resuming after 2.5 long years because due to COVID, these matters could not be taken up and only urgent matters were being heard. Remember, there are in fact 228 petitions which have challenged the constitutional validity, and among the important petitioners are Jairam Ramesh for the Congress, and there is DMK, Mahua Moitra, Asaduddin Owaisi. All of them have challenged the CAA as unconstitutional, arbitrary and discriminatory. They remember they are up in arms against the law which promises to give the citizenship to Hindus, Sikhs, Parsis and Christians and Jains and Parsis who have come to India, crossed over to India before or just before the cutoff date is December 31st, 2014, and those who have come from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan are offered citizenship, but they claim, the petitioners say that by singling out Muslims from it, this law is discriminatory and classification on the basis of religion is violative of Article 14 and also against the secular principles of the country, and also citizenship should be decided on the basis of assent and in fact birth and not on the basis of religion. So these are the main arguments, and as of now today's biggest takeaway is that the matter has been referred to a larger 3-judge bench, and this centre's stand has been sought on all the petitions by October 31st. So the centre gets 4 weeks time to file its reply, and the Chief Justice also acknowledged the fact that since it's a bulky matter, we need to lay down some modalities and a time frame as to how to go about it, and all that will be done on October 31st, before which all sides have been asked to file written submissions, and most importantly, centre has been asked to file its affidavit, making its stand clear on the 228 petitions which have challenged the constitutional validity of CAA. Back to you.
Right. Harish, if I'm not wrong, there were over 200 petitions that had challenged CAA. Could you, for the benefit of our viewers, help us understand and give us details about the main petitioners in this case? Because this is very important, about 200 petitions that were clubbed together against this very, very controversial order.
Yes, in fact, prominent among the petitioners, as I said earlier, is Jairam Ramesh, who has filed the petition on behalf of the Indian National Congress. Then there is TMC's Mahua Moitra, AMM leader Asaduddin Owaisi, and then DMK has filed a petition, and State of Kerala. Then there are several organizations and students' bodies from Assam and Northeast. They claim that the Assam and Northeast is the worst affected by CAA because it's illegal, arbitrary, discriminatory, and giving of citizenship on the basis of religion is against Article 14 of the Constitution, and also strikes at the root of the secular principles of the country. So these are the main petitions, and all eyes on the October 31st hearing, when the Supreme Court will resume hearing in this batch of matters.
All right. Thank you, Harish, for those updates.